Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're just going to be trying something a little bit different. So I don't know what it is going to look like when it is done, but the whole part of creating these paintings is playing around, trying different things. And I mean, you never know what you're going to land up with, and that is for me what is the fun part about it. So let us see what we can do. So what I want to do, first of all, let's put my gloves on. I should have bought a size bigger. Okay, so what I want to do first is I want to mix up a color with a little bit of silicone in. So let me get a cup and then pick a color. I think I'll use this one. I need to mix up some paints, but when I went on Amazon to get my Oil Floetrol, there was none available, so I don't know what is going on, but I'm running out of colors. I've got tons of paint and I can't mix it up because I might as well just make a mixture of a color here. Look at this, all my paints are finished. Goodness me. This is bad, and I'll add a little bit of silver to that. Okay, and then my silicone. Oh, where are you? This is the silicone I use. It's the 100% silicone oil, and it's treadmill belt lubricant. And I got this off Amazon, and you literally just need a couple drops into your paint. It goes a far way. And then I'll just mix this up. And then I just want to put like a base paint down on here, just to cover the canvas. Its spout is blocked. I am really not having much luck with my paints today. They all seem to be quite empty, these bottles. Alright, so I just want to cover the canvas just to wet it. Just like that. Okay. All right, so now I'm just going to move that out of the way, and into here I'm going to layer random colors. Good luck, Shana, because all your paints seem to be finished. But anyway, let's see how far we get here. Oh my goodness. I hope I've got at least some Oil left. I'll have to mix up some paints today with whatever Oil I've got left. And then I just want to add a little bit of this one in between it all that has the silicone in. And just randomly layer the rest. It is very cold. We actually have a weather warning in place for the whole country for cold, snow, ice, whatever. They say, well, they said we would get some snow this morning, but it hasn't snowed yet. And just before I started recording now, I checked my phone and it said that we could get significant snow this afternoon. So I don't know. Let's just see. Let's just see what happens. So there's no rhyme or reason what colors I'm putting down. At this point, I'm putting down whatever paint I have, which isn't a lot. So putting light colors, dark colors, just any color I have, I'm just putting it down. Put a little bit of gold in there because we all know how I like my gold. Some more of this. And put some silver. And some of these are metallic, others aren't. One color, as you saw, has silicone in, the rest don't. So this really is a mixture of paints in here, just a complete random mixture. Okay, and we'll finish it off with this. Okay. Right, let me just move all these bottles out the way. I'll be back. Okay, now we're just going to pour that out. Let me bring you down like that, and we're just going to pour. And we're going to make just random patterns, lines, shapes. Just put that around the edges. Okay. And now I'm just going to hit this with a heat gun. Okay, I'm going to bring you up. Now let's tilt this out. So to start off with, we're just going to go around in a circle just to stretch it. Just sort of to the edges, not over yet. There's a lot of gold in here, a lot of very pretty colors, very pretty. So now just go around and make sure that paint has gone over all of your sides, and just pick paint up and dab it on if it hasn't. Okay. I do want to hit this just one more time with a heat gun. I'll just take my gloves off because they're full of paint now. Okay. Okay, so as you saw, when I hit that the second time with the heat gun, it brought up the cells, and that is from the silicone. Heat brings up cells when you put silicone in the paints. Wow, that is really pretty. Like I said, there's a lot of gold here, and there's also little splashes of gold down here too. So this whole painting is going to have a very pretty shimmer to it when it is dry. And it's not just the gold that's metallic. There are other colors in here that's metallic. There's neons. Very, very, very cool. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. So there it is. Look at that. Very cool patterns and designs in it, and very cool little cells that have popped up all over. And let me just put my flash on, and then you'll be able to see the gold. You see the shimmer? Now that is everywhere. Look there. And you saw I didn't put a lot of gold in. I only put, I think, one layer of gold, and it's just everywhere. You see that? So you don't need a lot of the gold. It goes a far way. And I love putting this gold into my paintings because I just love that shine that it gives. You see? So this gold is the Deco Art 24 karat gold, and it's stunning, absolutely stunning. For me, it's my favorite gold paint. I just love the stuff. So really cool colors, really cool cells, really cool patterns and designs, and tons of shiny, shimmery gold. Look at it. Very, very cool. So everybody, thank you very much for joining me today as I created this really cool painting. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. And as you saw, a very, very easy painting to do. It's just pouring paints out onto a canvas, and that's it. Anybody can do it, and so can you. Also, please remember that I do have a Facebook group. I would love for you to join the Facebook group and share pictures of your own paintings on there, because I would love to see them. Especially if you are doing a technique that you've just watched one of my videos and you're trying it out. I would love to see how your paintings turn out. Details to my Facebook group are down below in the description under the video. And again, also remember that all paintings created in this channel, if they dry properly, I do photograph them and put them in my Etsy shop. So details to my Etsy shop are also down below in the description. Thank you, everyone. I will see you next weekend because I'm back at work tomorrow. My holiday's over. I hope you have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye, everyone.